Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hit the subscribe button, in fact smash it, break it, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on fun videos from my channel. So today's video, my hair inventory. In case you guys don't know, I'm starting a hair business in addition to a cosmetics business as well. So please check out my Instagram pages. I'm going to leave them linked down below so you can go check them out. In the meantime, subscribe to my newsletter so that whenever I launch, you get some discounts off and be informed that, oh, Maryann has launched, so you can, purchase your items as well. So right now I want to do my product shots for the hair, and I want to show you guys how I'm going to do it. I just want to take pictures for my website, so these pictures can be on my website. So today we're going to be doing day by day because today is already like 5 and I still have like a video to edit, so I'm just going to do the deep wave. So let's get started. So please purchase from me if you're looking for authentic quality human, not just human hair, virgin quality hair. Reach out to me, check out my website, check out my Instagram page as well. So let's get started. I don't know, my skin has been acting up lately, but let me show you guys what the hair is gonna look like. Let me show you the frontal first, and then we'll do the so let me show you what the hair looks like. If you're purchasing a frontal, this is what the frontal is going to look like, for depending on what length you're going for. But this length is 20 inches, and this is what 20 inches looks like. It's pretty long, and when I say 20 inches, that's the length of it. When it's stretched out like this, it's probably like 18 inches. But if you stretch it out, because most times when people wear deep wave, they always like get it wet to get that really nice wet coils. So if that's something you're interested in, the length is definitely going to be longer than this, but for now this is what the length 20 inches looks like. The bundles, you get 3 bundles as well, so this is 24 inches. Again, the reason why it's looking short is because it's coily, all coily hair. So I always advise people, when you want to buy coily weave on or coily bundles, so you want to go for 22 inches, I would advise you go 2 inches or 4 inches higher. So if you want 22 inches, you have to go for 24 inches or 28 inches. At that way it's gonna reach like the 22 inches that you actually want. So yeah, just putting that out there, just in case you want to purchase hair and you don't want to purchase it from me, just know that. So when they send you a bundle, don't be angry that it's looking short. That's because it's a coily weave on. And just look at the quality of this. Like, it's really beautiful, and this is 100 grams. I'm going to bring my shipping scale so you guys, we can measure it together and you can see what I'm talking about. It's absolutely gorgeous, and without any further ado, let's go into today's so today I'm going to be doing like a product shot. Let me just set my camera. So today I'm going to be doing product photography for the hair, and I want to do it day by day because like there are so many things, so many pictures that I need to take. But of course I can't possibly do everything in one day because of course I need to take breaks and what's not. It's so beautiful. See guys, if you guys don't have this hair, you're on a long thing. No, you're on a long thing. Look at beautiful something. Okay, so I'm just bringing them out from its pack so that we can take pictures. And for photography, I'm using my softbox. One softbox facing here. I think it should be facing down, and then there's a ring light. So this is the ring light facing. I need to bend it. So this is what the light is looking like, and I'll be using the 4 rug that I got. If you haven't seen the unboxing of this product, please click the card up here so you can go watch it for yourself. So I'm going to be using this 4 rug. I'm going to first of all just place it. And turn on my camera. Oh, I need battery. Okay, so I just went to get my camera bag. Looking for my battery. So I'm going to be using my camera, my YouTube channel camera, and this is the Canon 250D. This camera is absolutely amazing. I know that I've been saying I'm going to do like a 6 months update video telling you guys how well this camera has been performing for me. I haven't forgotten. I'm definitely still going to do it, but if you want to see an unboxing of this camera, click the card up here to go check it out. So I'm just going to turn it on, take it to photography, which is on, then take this off and it should come on here. And oh yeah, I'm using a 15mm lens. I have the kit lens, but I just felt like because the background is 4, when I'm taking pictures, it's going to have that blurry background, so the 4 would even look a lot better. So let's see. I think I need to take it from top. Yeah, so let me show you one. This one looks really nice. These are some shots that we have so far. So I'm just gonna take like some more and then take some pictures of the frontal and then change the lens to the regular kit lens. So this is what our frontal looks like. This is the 13x4 frontal. It's not HD. This is a transparent, brown transparent lace. It's really nice. You can see like the color, like it blends in well even without it being bleached. Yeah, so now imagine it's bleached and ooh, you won't even be able to like just look at this. Hair is really nice. So this is what our 13x4 frontal looks like. When I was starting like my hair journey and whatnot, yeah, I used to be confused as regards the length to this length because I wanted something that was like that had like a deep cut. So just for reference, you can see the length. Oh, let me use my middle finger. That's inappropriate. So this is what the length for 13x4 looks like, or you can just use your tape measure and it's actually still okay. I mean, like if you put it, this is how deep the part can go. Let me show you. So now time for some props. So I'm going to be using this, and I actually got this for my cosmetics photo shoot, so I don't know how well this would look. Yeah, the frontal one isn't as good as the bundle. So let's change the lens to the kit lens and take some more pictures. So this is the 18 to 55 mm lens. It's a zoom lens, so I use this for my vlogging needs. This is the problem. This is why I don't like taking out the lens. It's always the hassle trying to fix it in. So it's on now. I'm just going to turn on the camera. Okay, so let's place the frontal. This one better than this one. Let me know down below which you prefer. Yeah. Okay, so I think we've gotten our winning shots, and that's basically how I would also do the same thing for the cosmetics. That's basically how I do it. So I think this video is already too long, but I hope you guys enjoyed it and just give you like ideas of how you can do it. I'll be doing the same thing for the cosmetics, and that should be up maybe next week or so. So look out for that one. Let me know if you found this helpful. I will be doing a video on how to start a hair business in 2020. Let me know if you have any specific questions that you need to know or you want me to answer in the video in the comment section, and I'll definitely address it. So feel free, pour all your heart out, and I'll see you in the comment section. Bye guys.